How to uninstall the Microsoft Edge permanently right away from your Windows. Hello everyone, and let's get started. Do you want to get rid of the Microsoft Edge permanently from your Windows? If so, there are two ways by which you can achieve this. For the very first one, you have to open any of your browser. Search for Wise Software Uninstaller and download it on your device. Once this is done, now you can go and try to uninstall the Microsoft Edge. It will then forcefully uninstall the Microsoft Edge from your Windows. But additionally, make sure that you delete all the files and folders related to Microsoft Edge. For this, you have to do it manually. Likewise, there is another way to do it. For this, you have a command on the description box. Copy it, open the command prompt and run it as administrator. After that, paste the command and run it. This will take a while, but it will permanently disable or uninstall the Microsoft Edge from your Windows. However, it is not recommended to uninstall such device or applications forcefully. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching.